Only 1% of people can answer all these questions about the Nightingale of India. Can you? Hit that subscribe button and test your knowledge till the end. Let's begin. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? A. Indira Gandhi, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. N.A. Besant, D. Kasturba Gandhi. Question 2. Why was she called Nightingale of India? A. For singing, B. For poetry, C. For acting, D. For politics. Question number 3. Who gave Sarojini Naidu the title Nightingale of India? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Rabindranath Tagore, D. British government. Question number 4. What is her famous book? A. Golden Threshold, B. Wings of Fire, C. Discovery of India, D. My Experiments. Question number 5. Sarojini Naidu was the first woman to become A. Prime Minister of India, B. President of India, C. Governor of an Indian state, D. Chief Justice. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. If you scored 3 or more, you are a GK master. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more